I'm Dr. Gregory Dane Fritz. I'm one of the general surgeons here at Holland Hospital. I try to be as personable as I can, so I like to treat all of my patients like I would treat my family. In the past, a lot of the cases that I'm going to be comfortable with here at Holland Hospital wouldn't be shipped to Grand Rapids. My goal with joining Holland Hospital is to be able to bring those complex cases in-house. I've got lots of different tools in my pocket that, if a patient thinks that a minimally invasive robotic hernia repair is going to get them back to work quicker or is going to get them back on their feet quicker, and they'd rather go that route than an open repair, I'm totally open to listening to them. When I meet with patients for the first time, not only do I explain in pretty specific detail what the surgery will entail, but I want them to know what the post-op expectations are. So a lot of what I discuss during the first meeting with them and when we're talking about surgery is, here's what to expect after surgery. If you've got a referral from your primary care physician to meet with a general surgeon, or you've got questions that you think a general surgeon has answers for, I'm happy to meet with you. I'm happy to talk about what's going on with you, what your primary care physician is concerned about, and what I can do about it. We can talk about plan moving forward and come up with a way to make you feel better. If you've got questions or concerns or you want to meet with a general surgeon, please give my office a call.